Hi, I'm Sherry here at the Little Beading Closet. Join me today as you learn how to make this beaded bezel for a 14mm Rivoli using a few beads. It's very quick and simple. I think that you'll really enjoy making it. And then at the end, we'll turn it into earrings. We need the Tublet beads, of course, a 14mm Rivoli, and size 11 seed beads. Let's take a close-up look at a tublet bead and compare it to a 6mm bugle bead. They're both 6mm in length, although the tublet bead is much wider in diameter at 2.8mm, as you can see here. And I absolutely love how these tublet beads hold the 14mm Rivoli here in place. They work perfect for this little design. Start with 6 pairs of a tublet bead followed by a size 11 seed bead. Just going to knot that together 2 times. Come through 1 tublet and 1 size 11 past your knot. Go ahead and trim off your tail thread and pick up 5 more of your size 11 seed beads and needle back through the size 11 that your thread is exiting. Come through the next tublet and into your next seed bead, and repeat that on every size 11 seed bead around your circle. Adding the last one, coming through the seed bead and through the next tublet. Continue through 1 more seed bead and then needle up 2 more. And just step through the seed bead that forms the point right there. The next step is really simple. You're going to get your tublet beads, pick one up, and come through the point seed bead on your next section. And that pulls it together, forming a little wall on the side. Don't complete it until you get your Rivoli in, but we'll add 4 more. Before you add your last one, sit the Rivoli here in the middle, and then finish up with 1 more, holding it in place. Going to retrace this top row of beads. Now the Rivoli is in here nice and snug. It's not going anywhere. And I want to add a wire guard and ear wire just to turn these into simple earrings. Coming through one of the seed beads in this pair along the edge and adding the wire guard. Needling back down the other side of it. We started at the front side of our Rivoli, and now we're going to needle between these 2 seed beads on this side towards the back. Here on the back side, needling through the seed bead here, and then come through 1 seed bead, and then back through the wire guard, and come down the other side of your wire guard, and through 1 seed bead towards the front. Just finish off your thread by coming through some more beads. However you like to finish your thread, just make sure it ends up being nice and secure. Slip on the ear wire, secure it down. What a fun and simple bezel to make. The tublet beads really add just the right touch and hold the stones in perfectly. You can enjoy this as is, or even continue by embellishing the edge with whatever you'd like. So if you don't have any, I definitely suggest getting some in your beading stash. You never know when you might need them. And as always, I hope you have a beautiful day.